Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you two recipes which I have made with avocados. Avocado is also known as butterfruit. It has many health benefits such as it helps to prevent obesity, heart diseases, diabetes and etc. These are rich in healthy fats that help you to keep full and satisfied throughout the day. That's why we include avocado in our weight loss journey. Even my gym coach suggested to have avocado. But personally, I don't like this fruit because I feel it is a tasteless fruit. But now I won't say this because I tried this recipe, it is super delicious. So I thought of sharing this with you. Since last month I am following intermittent fasting. And this avocado smoothie I have 3 times in a week as my breakfast. I show you one more dessert recipe with avocado. Most of us love to eat sweets after lunch, even I. So this is the one. It is a healthy and guilt-free option. So without wasting much time, let's see how to make this. So here I used one medium-sized avocado that I'm going to cut it into half. Now with a big spoon just scrape down almost half of the fruit. This may come around 2 to 3 tablespoons. Into this I am adding 2 heaped tablespoons of Women's Horlicks. Instead of Women's Horlicks, you can add your choice of protein powder. For example, whey protein isolate, just like that. If you are adding that, use 1 full scoop of protein powder. If you are giving this for your children, you can add any supplement like Junior Horlicks, Complan, Pediasure or anything. It's your wish, but use the same quantity. Adding 1 teaspoon of natural honey. This is the only sweetener we are adding into this smoothie. If you are making this for your children, you can increase the amount of honey according to their taste. Adding 1 cup of skimmed milk, that is 250 ml. This milk we can just use directly, we don't need to boil it. If you don't want this milk, you can use the normal milk. Adding some ice cubes, then cover it and blend it properly to a smoothie consistency just for 1 to 2 minutes. So that's it, our smoothie is ready to have. It has a thick consistency because of the avocado and the protein powder we have added into this. I'm just garnishing with some boost powder. This is completely optional. You can just have it directly. So this is the remaining avocado that I had stored in the fridge in an airtight glass container. With this I'm going to make a dessert, a quick and easy dessert. Scrape down the fruit from all the sides with a spoon. Then smash it nicely with a fork. The outside skin of the avocado is very thick and it can hold the dessert. This only we can use it as a cup. Adding some dry fruits. This is 4 dates and 4 almonds. I'm just separating the dates into small pieces and I removed the skin of the almond also. Actually we can remove the skin of the almond very easily. Nothing, you just soak the almond in boiled water for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes just squeeze out. That's it, the almond will come out. Adding some blackcurrant. Instead of blackcurrant, you can add raisins also. Drizzling some honey. The amount of honey is always you can increase or decrease. Lastly, I am grating some almonds. Mix it everything together and we can serve. I just garnish this with some blackcurrants. If we want, we can serve in this way also. Just remove the seed and fill with the dry fruits and honey and serve it. Just before eating, we can mix everything together and we can have. This will be good when the avocado is small in size. So that's it for today. Do try this at home and see how it is. Please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon for future notification. See you again with a new and healthy recipe. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.